Hey, it's Faye! Hold up! Before we get into the fun BTS video, I just wanted to intrude really fast and let you guys know that today's video is actually sponsored by Skillshare. Yeah! Get them coins! Skillshare is an online learning community for creators like you and I, with more than 25,000 classes in design, business, and more. If I'm really honest with you, being an online personality or having a social media platform, it's really hard for me to see my Instagram platform as a business because obviously I just like to post whatever I like to post. But recently my friends, and particularly one friend, she's been kind of harping me on making my Instagram feed a little bit more business-like. At the end of the day, sometimes I forget that it is kind of like my job. Premium memberships on Skillshare actually gives you unlimited access. So that means I can join any of the classes and communities that's right for me. Now, recently I've been taking a class by John Olson, how to edit my Instagram feed. I know, it's so basic, but like I really need help. It helped me open my eyes on like the most basic things, color corrections, finding a color for your feed, and just like bringing my inner beauty and strength outward onto the platform.
I know some of you guys always ask me how I edit my videos, especially when I add an animation, and one thing I have to mention is that I've been learning a lot from Libby on Skillshare. Her Best of Animation class has taught me so much. I have more to learn, especially if I want to do better with my animations and illustrations. Highly recommend for my creative artistic beans.
Honestly, whether you want to fuel your curiosity, creativity, or just staying inspired, me, because like I'm a big baby and I don't stay inspired for too long because I'm weak. It keeps me thriving up here, and also I just always learn something new, which is really important because my life is dual. Again, Skillshare is giving away a 2-month free trial for the first 500 members that click the link in the description box, and after that, it's only about $10 a month. So make sure you join the 7 million of us, including myself, and your favorite, even my favorite YouTubers. And yes, I know this because I watch them too, and they mentioned this, so like, I'm just letting you know. It's legit, baby girl. Click the link. Anyways, enough rambling. I'm gonna go unpack, and you should probably enjoy the video now. So, bye.
Sorry I didn't see you there. Too busy covering myself from all the hate in this world. As you guys can tell, I am a professional faller. If you don't know what that profession withholds,
let me educate you here.
A faller,
Everything.
as we are called, we professionally know how to fall into holes. Specifically graves. Don't get it twisted. Only the graves with BTS tags. I mean, obviously, like, we're not that stupid. You know, we just don't go and blow our whole life savings. We are highly trained. Thank you. Honestly, at this point, I just ask that you have some kind of sympathy towards my coins. Because they're not there. If you don't know what today's video is, which you probably already know, it's gonna be me trying out BTS Contacts. Yes, let me tell you, sister, it was not easy getting my hands on these, period. So earlier this year, BTS became the model of these Japanese contacts, and the brand is called PLAYUP.
Now the problem is,
They only sell these contacts in Japan. It's not really for the public, as in like international fans. I had to pull some strings to figure this out, but I did it. They came in the mail a month ago or so, and I just forgot because I went through so much trouble. I'm not asking for pity. Like this video, and also make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So I ordered 7 pairs, 1 of each member. Some boxes are in yellow, some are blue. I'm assuming that's because there's like 2 different lines. I don't know. These were the ones available. Bitch is thirsty. Stay hydrated, kids. From the photos, it looks very natural. That's the word. Please don't expect these contacts to literally come at you and fight. They're here to just, you know, reserve the peace. Manifesting those words out. I think I spent over $200. So the first contacts I have are called Sunday Brunch, and this was actually modeled by RM. They have this almost like frog green going on. They each come in their own boxes, which I find very unnecessary. Come on, play up. Let's be a little bit eco-friendly. Obviously, you guys need a strategizer. Hello, I'm free. My email is down below. Let me just take these out. RM, I am counting on your eyes. Oh my god. Nope, not having it today. Oh my god, I totally felt that zen. It just went through me like magic. Oh hell no. Wow. Honestly, hold on. Whoa, hold on. Boy, these PLAYUP ones feel like nothing in the eye except for this eyelash sticking to my eyeball. Oh my gosh. Because I have darker eyes as well, I don't know if you can even tell that green iris. It is really pretty though. Do I feel the RM power in the ear? Yes, I do. When you wear these contacts, you're gonna feel like you can rap. Drop a beat. When I was born, I ate some corn and then I was formed. I feel great. Also, I got all these contacts in prescription, so they're -5s. And I got a couple little cards. These contacts you can wear for 1 month. Now I'm pulling out a case and I am gonna save them. Save them for the day that I meet RM. I'm gonna be like, hey, do you see and do you confirm that I have your eyeballs in my eyeballs? We are one. Holy, I'm nervous. What the heck? They're so thin. These are the next ones I have. Walk the Runway, modeled by Tay Tay. This one is more of a chocolate deep brown. I feel like I already have that. Okay, are you ready? Don't stress out, guys. I got this. I caught something. Caught the dust. I'm good. I'm done. The next one. Perfect. It's like competing at the Olympics. You know, I would come in first. Oh, these make my eyes look a lot bigger than RM's. The rim is kind of like patchy looking. It does give you more of a dolly eye, I guess. I'm sure you can see what I mean by the rims around. That's cute. I like that you can still see my natural color peeking right in the center. So if anything, these contacts actually accentuate my eyeballs. I think that's it for this one. Okay, so next up we have Camping Trip, which was modeled by Jin. Kind of similar. It has that dark chocolate brown, but it has a thicker rim. I'm such an expert. I'm so sorry that if I sound off, I'm sorry. It's because it's been a long day. Honey, don't get me started. Let's take off Taehyun, put in Jin. They're like so thin. Now I know how their eyes feel like when they're performing. That's like a privilege. Remember when I was like, they're like dark chocolate? No, these are more like caramel chocolate. Oh my god. Go in. Why gotta be so complicated? I'm fine. It's BTS. Oh, that one just sucked right on and it felt great. It did. Ooh. So unlike the Tay Tay ones, it doesn't have that like patchy rim. It has such a nice light hazy brown, sweet. It looks natural, but I've seen more natural contacts. Oh my god, it's cute. I mean, they just honestly just looks like brown eyes. Am I cute yet? So comfortable. So cute. Easy peasy, double peasy.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
And just like this, we gotta be very careful because Jin has delicate eyes. We have them right in our hands. So these are cookies. We already know Cook the Hook. So excited. The name is just Under the Orion. What does that mean? I really don't know what Orion means. Onion? The rim is black, but it does have specks of brown infused. Yeah, so, yep. I don't know why I'm smelling it. Please focus. We really need this in a shot because it's kooky. We cannot miss on Cook the Hook. Oh my god. It attacked me. I don't know how to feel. What is wrong with you? Why are you running from me?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
What? Cook. The Hook. Are you breaking up with me on camera? Like, please, let's just try again. Don't embarrass me. It's fine. You know, we need to meet halfway, honey. You work with me, I work with you. Girl, these are so comfortable. I've never worn like black eye contacts. It's very endearing. It feels weird because I always thought I had like black eyes. But when you actually have contacts on that are black, it makes your eyes feel even more poppy, doppity. That's cool. Finally, more colors in the quiet bar. Chim Chim. Let's say goodbye to Justin Siegel. Let's take these out.
Steak for dinner?
Just pinch it like that. Amazing! It still does have that dark rim of like grayish brown, but it is blue. So one thing I noticed about these contacts is that it's only the rim that has color and it's very clear within the middle. You don't have like the full on color. Am I making sense? See how easy he went in? Wow, me and Jungkook are just having issues and you just come into my life like this? Like, you can't do that. Wow, I thought this was going to have this icy blue tone to it. It's actually very blended with brown. Look at that blue infused with my natural eye color. Next up, the Dive to Flowers. What a mood. Would you like to dive to flower today? Dive to flower. Count me in. Nice hazel color. It looks like a bug, right? No? Okay. That was a lot of air. Calm down. Ooh! These make my eyes look like it's glowing. Wow, they just fuse so nicely with my natural brown eyes. These are pretty. These are definitely my favorites. Like Sugar, like Dive to Flowers.
Yeah, what are you wearing on your eyes today?
Dive to flowers. Dive to flowers. Dive to flowers. Diving to flowers. Flowers to dive. Night Drive. Modeled by the one, the only, your hope and my hope, J-Hope. Your hope, my hope, J-Hope. Okay. It almost looks like a star. Oh, a red chocolate star. This one might just give us a pop. Oh my god, it looks dirty. Come on. Okay. There we have it! Literally, I went through 14 contacts, guys. It literally blends all throughout my eye. Literally the color of my eyeball. Oh, now I know what color my eyes are. Spot on. It does make my eyes look a lot bigger. My eye has a very small diameter. I like them. They're very calm. Okay, so to wrap up this video, I think my favorite one was definitely Sugar, Dive to Flowers, and I really like Jin's, a very soft and sweet caramel eye. I've been trying to get into contacts that are more brown and more my color. This is like the perfect step forward. Wow, it's like I'm embarking on a new chapter of my life. That's it. This video was basically me just trying on $200 worth of BTS contacts. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below who your favorite member is. I want to know. Until next time, and see you. Bye.